nagpasalamat din ko sa mga Ilonggo. And it's quite, that they're using the Ilonggo accent not as a means of comedy. Hindi siya pagpapatawa. Hindi siya, we're doing drama sequences, pero pasok siya sa, So, I think people should stop looking at Visayan accent or Ilocano accent, Kapampangan accent, as a means of comedic effect. Kasi totoo naman na may mga taong ganito, may mga tao na probinsya. And we should respect that. And natutuwa lang ako with Maris, because she's not an Ilocano. Pero she's able to deliver it as a real Ilocano. Because she's from Davao, that's why. Pero I hope we come up with a movie later on na iba-ibang dialects, they're all in one, let's say fraternity na iba-ibang klase. So that, we embrace each other's culture, we embrace each other's language, and nagpapakita yun na talagang yun ang Pilipino. If you go to Palawan, for example, I think it's the most complete setup of mga migrant na pupunta ron. Galing sa iba-ibang probinsya, may Mindanao, may Visayas, may from Ilocos, may from Tagalog. And if you look at that language, nag-evolve siya. And which I think is a perfect example of how a Filipino language can evolve. Hindi lang yung puyo nun, Hindi yung language nila. Kundi, I even consider it as a language. Hindi lang siya yung ano tawag ito, yung probinsya. It's a welcome thing. Thank you.
Thank you po, and congratulations. Looking forward dito po sa Isolated. Thank you po.
Thank you for your questions. That was Von Molinari of TV5 Digital. Up next, we have June Narda of Manila.